What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage, and today we're going to be working on installing this smart screen onto the Subaru Forester. As you know, this is a 2001. It is a bit old school. The radio's old school. It's all OEM. We definitely need it to come up to today's times and today's standards. That's why we ended up acquiring this smart screen that's going to be able to just plug and play. It's going to give us a nice screen. It's going to be able to give us CarPlay, give us navigation, things like that. So I definitely needed to get this a while back ago. Nonetheless, here we are. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and install it. It should be pretty easy. Thank you guys for tuning in, and let's get right to it. All right, so here we are doing the unboxing. Let's go ahead and pop this open. All right. Okay, we got a 9-inch screen here. We're going to be able to do CarPlay. We're going to be able to run our nav. What's nice is that this screen has a couple different ways to be able to install it onto your car. So whether that's through adhesive, we can get this bracket, put it on the back, adhesion it to the dash, or it does come with a window suction. And I think I'm going to opt for this just because if we install this and we don't like it, then obviously it's going to be a little bit of a sticky mess. Looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and set that aside. And we got this cable here. This is going to be our power. It just plugs into your cigarette outlet, which is cool. All right, there we go. And here we go. That's nice. It also has an outlet for a USB, so if you want to charge your phone while the screen is being powered, that's great. I like that. And this is also nice because I have the original deck on this car. You can Bluetooth your phone to the screen via FM radio, and you'll be able to listen to your music this way. I believe this is for the rear view camera. We might do this a little bit later just because right now we don't have the tools that we would need to be able to get this thing going. So might just do it a little bit later off screen. Okay, so we got the bracket. We got this. And maybe an antenna of some sort. Optional accessories for the dash cam. All right, well, there you go. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and installed the window suction cup bracket to the back of the screen. It's pretty straightforward. A few hooks there. You just lock it in, and then you can tighten it up right here for resistance. This is nice right here. You can undo that. You can bring it towards you more or away from you. And this allows you to swivel back and forth. All right, guys, we went ahead and installed the suction cup bracket to the window, and this is what it's gonna look like. Looks pretty cool. I have it a little bit suspended off the dash, that way I can move it back and forth, move it towards me or move it away from me. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's not obstructive. Here's my view. I can still see pretty well. Let's go ahead and plug in our power. I believe the power cord is over here. Yep. This is going to be so nice, guys, because I've just been using my phone for maps and for my music. This is going to be a big game changer. Wasn't too bad. I believe I paid about $110. And it's got some really awesome reviews. I figured I would just go for it. If worse comes to worse, if I don't like it, I can always return it. Thank you, Amazon. There it is. Awesome. Nice big 9-inch screen. Yeah, that looks killer. All right, guys, so here it is all set up. I plugged it in. I ran the wire through here, through the bezels. I shoved the rest of the wire into this drawer, and there you go. Now it just looks pretty clean. I ended up adding these little wire holders for my charger for my phone over here on this side. You can do CarPlay, you can do AirPlay, so you can mirror your phone. Let's say you want to watch YouTube or a movie or something. You got the ability to mirror your phone onto the bigger screen here. I love that feature, especially when I'm out here. It's a good way to spend the time. I got the FM radio going, so that way I can get the Bluetooth connected. That should pretty much do it, guys. It was a pretty seamless, effortless install, super easy. Again, about $100, $110 actually. So far, I really like it. I've used the GPS and it's working pretty well. The screen looks pretty nice as well. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you then, or I'll see you another time.